that's alright.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room, what you trusted, I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and him, I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, hold up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation, rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Just hung up the phone at night. Could already tell that you come here home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time. Me, 'cause I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Then you fell fast asleep. Wouldn't even talk to me. Say, I'm so crazy, baby. I'm so crazy. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. Please, for me. I wanted you to raise my mind. Please, for me. I wanted you to raise my mind. They said you got high as the sky, up all night just dancing. Oh, I hit you like, please come home to me. Come home to me. But you're not understanding. No, you gon' make me beg, make me plead, please. Wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. I just figured you could make time for me. Said you come here home intoxicated. Oh, yeah. I wanted you to raise my mind. I wanted you to raise my mind. Say my name, say my name. Those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for blocking your phone and not coming home and starting some shit. When I'm in the zone, this is what I've been saying. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me and I forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through in whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me scream, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me because someone besides myself. I need someone I leave through the front door. We don't wanna hide no more. Rush not shy no more. Neither of us wanna put aside no more. No, got alone. Nothing was the same. Get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name. Say my name. Say my name. When no one is around you. Say baby I love you, but you ain't my big girl. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. Baby, why the sun today? Say my name. 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 If no one is around you. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.